Everybody, I'm Googly, the Pirate App Dice here. I'm here today to actually start what we're going to do for kickoff in November, which is called Tech Smash Your Lego Classroom. So starting today, I'm actually going to show you how you can actually incorporate your Legos with the specialty of the Google Drive, which is, of course, what I best represent. So get ready as we incorporate Legos into the Google Drive. So here we are with a Lego table with 3 different Legos which represent the number 4 minus the number 4. Well, of course, we all know this answer would most likely be 0. However, as you can see, we actually have them on the yellow grid. And then there's a red grid, a blue grid, and of course, a green grid. How this works is when teachers actually put together their little Lego sets, they have it to where the students can actually decide what app they're going to use in the Google Drive. So in this case, since it's yellow, this would be Google Sheets. If it was on the red, it would be in Google Draw. If it was on the green, it would of course be Sheets or Spreadsheets. Blue would be Docs. The point of this is to actually give a little differentiation to have students start learning to app smash or using the different abilities of the Google Drive. And this can be used for the classroom or for straight up use on iPad or Chromebooks. It's very, very original to actually get students to not only use their Lego math, but also start using the different ways to use the Google Drive. I'll show another example. So here we are in Google Drive, and what we can, let's say we're doing that exact same question here, and we decided to do it in Google Draw. What happens is once you set up everything, you put in the picture here for the students so they can insert the image. Of course, the teacher, of course, gets everything shrunk down and puts in the question in a text box. And then, of course, shares it with their Google Drive or anything else. And then what to do is when the students come in, they can log in with their own classroom or personal school Google ID and actually put in the answer. So in this case, they can actually do the drawing. So they can do it many different ways. So they could do their own text box and put in the answer. And then, of course, turn it in as an assignment or have it to where each student logs in and, of course, puts everything up on a comprehension and use similar to a Google Docs about what their answer is. And then once that's all done, it can be graded or turned in for a full participation assignment. There are many ways you can do this. If this was actually a Google slide like the original one was done, the teacher would, of course, create the presentation. Insert the image or question. And then leave it to be answered. A student could then come in on the shared drive, add a brand new slide, put their name on the top, and then, of course, put in the answer right afterwards. Once that has in, the teacher can then come on in, put in their own new text box, and give feedback. And then can actually have another one right here where the next student comes in, puts in their name, and then does the answer. And go from there. This is just a small example of how you can do a tech smash with your Lego Classroom. Give it a try today if you're a Google's for Education classroom on either iPad, Chromebooks, or online computing. This is just one example for what we will be doing for the month of November with Tech Smash the Lego Classroom. If you need any more answers or questions, check us out at Taking Your Classroom to the Next Level, or look for us on Twitter at Ryan7Reed. This is Googly the App Dice, and I'll see you later.